I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an oil pressure sensor. First, gather your tools, a wrench set, the new sensor, and some thread sealant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start. This prevents accidental electrical shorts during the process. Following these initial steps will make the replacement much smoother. Now, let's locate the sensor. It's typically found near the oil filter housing on the engine block. Once you've spotted it, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Next, select the correct size wrench or socket. Gently unscrew the old sensor counterclockwise. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to leak out as you remove it. With the old sensor out, it's time for the new one. Apply a small amount of thread sealant to the threads of your new oil pressure sensor. This helps prevent leaks. Carefully hand-tighten the new sensor into its port to ensure it's seated correctly. Then, use your wrench to torque it to the manufacturer's specified setting, usually around 15 to 20 foot-pounds, to avoid over-tightening. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully checking for any oil leaks around the new sensor. If there are no leaks, you've successfully replaced your oil pressure sensor. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.